In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can fix slow download folder that's been loaded. All right, if you guys have faced like slow loading on this download folder, you guys are in the right place. So let's fix this. The first fix is you need to click on see more and then click in options. Now you will see the folder options. All right, and you need to click on view, and now scroll down until you find launch folder in separate process. All right, if your is check on this, then I would recommend you guys to disable this. Just click on launch folder windows in separate process and then click and apply. Well, you guys are done. Now click in OK. The one last thing you need to do is right click on download folder and click on properties and then click on customize and ensure that it's on general item. So select the general item and click and apply. Well, that's it guys. So now it should resolve your problem. All right, it should load your download folder quickly, as fast as possible. And yeah, I would also recommend you guys to clean and clear some caches on a computer. If you guys don't know how to do that, you can check this video. So I think this video was useful for you. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.